I really wanted to know more about how to market the practice and do lead generation, because that's been a difficult thing in the practice. So that was my main focus. I've had experience with it, but it's become more difficult this past year. I think it's always valuable to hear what others are doing and share information. It was a good reminder to keep staff accountable and to really focus on making sure that my staff is handling the leads correctly, because it's one thing to get the lead generation going, but if the staff isn't handling those leads properly, that is not productive. It's been nice to collaborate with other providers, and I'm also looking forward to learning more clinically of what others are doing to treat sexual health. I liked the GAINSWave brand and the education, the marketing, the camaraderie that it brings. I like the support that I get rather than just doing, acoustic wave therapy. It's good to be around like-minded people who've been in this industry for a while, so I can get better results. If you're going to start branching off and doing men's sexual health, you need not only clinical training and that medical clinical support, but then you also need to learn about how to implement this in the practice, because it is a different niche than other things like weight loss, functional medicine. ED is a whole other very unique market, and so I think GAINSWave has a lot to offer with all of their experience to help guide you in your practice. I think it's a good value.